How's it going, guys? I feel like I've made so many videos the past few days of just like pointing at my drone that doesn't fly. So anyway, I'm gonna do it again. So these motors came today. They're the ones I've been waiting on for like a week. And of course, I mean, should have expected it. I don't have the right stuff for it yet, so I ordered more stuff. So I'm gonna be waiting the next few days for more stuff. These are my older motors because one of them quit on me. And you can see there's a bit of a size difference. And this one has, the coils are larger, longer at least. And I can feel as I'm twisting it that this one kind of wants to snap in place a little bit more. So it should have some higher torque. But the issue is that the diameter of the shaft right here is different and it's too big for my propellers. So I'm buying a third set of propellers for these motors. And also these bullet connectors, I didn't realize I had bullet connectors. I guess I just wasn't paying attention. I didn't really want to just solder them straight to my electronic speed controllers. So I ordered some bullet connectors as well, since I don't even have propellers that'll fit. I could 3D print some, but I'd rather just do everything correctly, at least this first time. And I also made a little holder for my GPS module. Still working on that a little bit. Yeah, so sorry today's video is kind of boring again. But for those of you who still watch them, I appreciate it. So I'm really working on making some better ones. Let me know what you think in the comments. I should probably talk more about Bitcoin and 3D printing specifically again. I ordered 2 more 3D printers. I'll talk more about that probably in another video and make a title about it. They're coming tomorrow, so yeah. Those of you who watch my videos daily, that'll be not a surprise for you, but yeah, I'll make a video about that tomorrow. Anyway, so thanks guys for watching this one. I appreciate it. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe for my better videos, which are coming. So we'll see you in the next one.